Hello, my dear beautiful females out there. Yes, you. I'm talking to you right now. Because this video is especially for you. Just for you. And as they say, girls love to talk. तो आज हम सिर्फ बातें करेंगे. No motivational ज्ञान, nothing. कुछ बातचीत, दिल से दिल की बात. And before we begin, let me ask you something. Do you have any idea about what's so common yet so shocking across all females, ranging from sweet 16 to sweet 60? You'll be surprised to know that while being the epicenter of your family, while fulfilling all your responsibilities towards everyone, females tend to ignore themselves. From office to household work, to your family members, your kids, your parents, your husband, everybody, you've been taking care of them all these years. But you've been ignoring yourself. कभी सोचा है? Everything about everyone, every concern about everyone, but what about you? And if you don't believe me, let me tell you 3 things you've been ignoring for yourself all your life. Number 1, your personal choices in life. When you were a small child, you did probably what was more pleasing to your parents or maybe your brothers. And as you grew up, it was more about what the society warranted or what your husband approved of or maybe what was pleasing to your in-laws. What about you? विश्वास नहीं होता ना मेरी बात का? सुनने में कुछ अजीब सा लग रहा है ना? ओके, लेट मी आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन. आज खाने में क्या बनाया था? और मे बी आज खाने में क्या बनाने वाले हो? This $1 million question hangs in every female's mind every morning, isn't it? कि आज खाने में क्या बनाना है और इसका जवाब कैसे ढूंढते हो? या तो अपने हस्बैंड से पूछते हो कि सुनो जी, आज खाने में क्या खाओगे? और मे बी यू आस्क योर किड्स कि बच्चों, आज खाने का क्या मन है तो वही बनाती हूं, राइट? अपने दिल पे हाथ रख के एक सच्चा जवाब देना मुझे. आज तक कभी भी क्या आपने वो डिश बनाई है जो आपको खाने में पसंद है? सोचो. शायद ये ख्याल भी कभी आपके माइंड में नहीं आया होगा कि हाँ यार, मे बी आई कैन कुक समथिंग टुडे विच आई लव इंजॉइंग, राइट? करते हो ना खुद को इग्नोर? अच्छा, ये बताओ कि लास्ट टाइम जब घर में मेड काम करने नहीं आई थी तो आपने क्या किया? Did you ask any one of your family member to help you with it? Or maybe you tried something else which could lessen your burden? शायद नहीं, क्योंकि ये मान के चले हैं कि ये सब तो हम नहीं करना है. ठीक है, I appreciate your hard work. The point is, when you need help in your life, when you need someone to be out there for you, you assume कि कोई आएगा मदद करेगा. Your partners might be pretty good to do that. But then did you reach out for it? Did you take care of yourself? Did you listen to your heart that I need to be there for myself today? Another very important thing which you, my dear wonderful ladies, have been ignoring about yourself is your health. आप में से कितनों की हेल्थ इंश्योरेंस हो रखी है? सोचो. I'll be happy अगर सबकी हो रखी हो, but that's unfortunately not the truth. वो भी छोड़ो. आज तक आप में से कितनों ने अपना एनुअल हेल्थ चेकअप करवाया है? Have you ever thought about it? वो भी जाने दो. आप में से कितने लोग अभी तक अपने लिए दिन में थोड़ा सा एक ऐसा खास टाइम निकालते हैं which we essentially call is the me time, and we devote it fully to ourselves? I know we have all the reasons, we have all the excuses कि बच्चों से टाइम नहीं मिलता, we are busy with our household chores, if we are working we are occupied with our office work, घर का ध्यान रखना है, हस्बैंड का ध्यान रखना है, सबका ध्यान रखना है। What about you? कभी सोचा है? करते हो ना खुद को इग्नोर? और अगर अभी भी मेरी बात कुछ हजम नहीं हो रही है ना, let me tell you one example. I have been part of the Rotary Club and visit various blood donation camps with my father. और वहां पे मैंने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया है, that if there are 100 male donors, there are hardly 2 female donors. रीजन ये नहीं है कि females shirk giving their blood or doing something good for the society. The challenge is, unfortunately, they are refused by the doctors to donate blood. जानते हो क्यों? Besides other reasons, most of the times, the single biggest complicated reason which comes as a barrier is their low hemoglobin levels. आप में से कितनों ने अपना लास्ट ब्लड टेस्ट करवाया था? Just to have a routine health checkup and understand what needs to be done for you. क्योंकि my dear friends, अगर आप अपना ध्यान नहीं रखोगे ना, शायद कोई नहीं रखेगा. Which brings me to the last, yet the most important thing which you, my dear ladies, have been ignoring about yourself all these years is that you don't love yourself. You've been doing everything for your parents, your family members, your husband, your kids, your elders, but not for you. Just think about it. इस लॉकडाउन के दौरान हम लोग बाहर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, right? I mean, we are unable to go out for a party or a shopping or a holiday. But इससे पहले आप लोग जब भी बाहर जाते थे, I'm sure you would have dressed up in the best of your dresses, with the finest cosmetics, the makeup and the accessories, right? पिछले लॉकडाउन के दौरान मुझे एक बार बताइए, when you dressed up for yourself while being at home. आप में से कुछ लोग सोचेंगे कि यार हम घर पे थे, we were relaxing, we were chilling out. Why do we need to make up? Why do we need to get ready or deck up ourselves? तो फिर मुझे एक बात बताओ, तो फिर ये सब किसके लिए? Society or maybe your partner? Well, I appreciate if you do that for others, but the thing is, what about you? Because you need to be loving yourself, you need to be appreciating yourself, you need to be believing in yourself. Because trust me, nobody can ever love you much more than you can do. Because you are awesome, you're beautiful, you're amazing, and I'm proud of you. But what about you? So with this, I just wanted to share all my thoughts with all the females out there so that I'm able to communicate to you that this entire world runs around you. You are the epicenter of everything, but then you are the most important for yourself. Always remember this and keep sharing this idea with all the females around you so that everyone feels empowered, everyone feels loved, and everyone feels appreciated, because that's what you deserve and lots more. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Your friend Sandeep Bogra signing off. Bye-bye.